So we will be learning how to make this elegant headpiece. So please just stay tuned and enjoy. These are the materials I used. This was the base for the headpiece. Sometimes it comes in singular, sometimes it comes in double. This was the ribbon I used, the ash one, and these flowers I also found in the market. Yes, that was the type that I used. It was a ready-made ones, and this is a scientific wire, super malleable. You just direct it where it has to go, and I really love that scientific wire. It's just so malleable that you can use to create anything you want. And these pearls were the ones I used for the creating it. So this is how I wrapped the ribbon around it. Right, kindly do take a critical look at it. This was how it was wrapped around it, and then I wrapped it around it singularly, as you can see here. Yes, I just wrapped it around it like that till it was completely all over it. Kindly do take a look at it so that you can understand how it moved from one end to the other, and not, it really didn't stay at one particular place, because sometimes it becomes a little bit confusing, when we're working with ribbons, like it really doesn't move. But kindly see how I'm actually changing the dimensions or slanting it to actually cover the whole headpiece. You see how I'm pulling it up? Yes, kindly do take a critical look at it, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. And yes, here in this section I was making this 3D from these pearls, right, so that I can actually attach it to the headpieces. So here I picked 3 pearls, and then I cut it out of the scientific wire, the length that I was able to manipulate or work around. So I picked them. You can make it either 1, you can make it either 2, you can make it 5, 10, like any number that you prefer to use. You can actually work around that number. Yes, so you just turn it and twist it till you get to the length or like the width you prefer, and then you stop it, and then you make it 1, and then you twist it again. Kindly do watch the video to understand it perfectly. Yes, you pick them like that, you pull them to the end, and then you get them together, and then you twist it, right, like you can see me doing here. Yep, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification. I hope you're enjoying this video and you're learning a lot from it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified anytime I post anything on this channel. And yes, turn on your notification bell. Okay, do that for the channel. Thank you very much in advance for doing that.
G's drum on the beat, 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 G's drum on the beat. G's drum on the beat, G's drum on the beat, G's drum on the beat, G's drum on the beat.